welcome back to another video on how to solve all the color from the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So in the last video we solved the cross and the second layers. Now let's get back into it. So now you see the cross. Alright. So if it's in like this shape, we turn it like this and then do up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you got a pure cross. Do the same method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that, and if it's got again, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do that until you got like this type of shape. Then put the corner on here and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it's like this, turn and do again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you got here. If you're lucky, sometimes you already got 3 pieces on top. Turn it to the matching piece and you got 1, 2, 3 colors. If not, don't worry, do this method. So if you got like this, put in the orange, any color lah. Turn it to back and do the same method. Do that until you got like this type of shape. Full color, 2 different color, 2 different color, 2 different color. So the sorting color, put it at the back and do this method. Do that again if it didn't work. Then once you're done, do this method. And congratulations, you got all of the colors finished. Bye guys, peace out.